GREUBEL FORSEY revisits its sportiest watch to date, the Balancier S2, and applies just enough aesthetic adjustments that make it a sleeker, more contemporary timepiece. It shares the movement of its predecessor, but introduces a new case, new finishing, and new design codes. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. In the meantime, let's find out why this new streamlined take on the Balancier S2 promises to be modern and refined, yet more powerful and assertive. As an authorized retailer of GREUBEL FORSEY watches, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large collection of the brand's models, including the Balancier S2. Visit us at one of our boutiques in Geneva, Zurich or Lucerne, or from our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. Tucked in the idyllic town of La Chaux-de-Fonds is GREUBEL FORSEY's workshop, where its watchmakers continue to push the envelope of high complication. Since its launch in 2004 by its founders Robert Greubel and Stephen Forsey, the brand has gained industry-wide distinction for producing complex movements such as the double tourbillon and inclined balance wheels, those which will go down in horological history as among those most ingenious and innovative. With its redesigned flagship timepiece, the Balancier S2, GREUBEL FORSEY is keen to make a statement that it is raising its level of fine watchmaking by a power of 2. The Balancier S2 isolates the most powerful elements of the original Balancier S and accentuates and modernizes them. It's meant to send a signal to the industry that while it is already known for its incredibly innovative timepieces, GREUBEL FORSEY has another big one up their sleeves. The difference between the previous and current iterations of the Balancier S starts with the case. The S2 now features a 46.5mm lightweight titanium case, slightly larger and sharper than the previous model, with a curved back, striking brushed titanium bezel and polished flanks, capped with a synthetic sapphire crystal glass, making it impact and scratch resistant. In addition to the bigger profile, GREUBEL FORSEY also makes a statement of simplicity by removing its micro-engraved signature around the barrel cover, and instead replacing it with a circular pattern designed exclusively for this timepiece. Aside from its good looks, the watch is exceedingly comfortable on the wrist. The size and sleek shape make this an ideal timepiece for a range of wrist sizes. Next, your eyes will gravitate towards the redesigned dial of the Balancier S2. This time, the central double-arch titanium bridge is now open-worked, reinforcing GREUBEL FORSEY's intention of highlighting what is essential to a timepiece: the movement. Further, GREUBEL FORSEY emphasizes an understated aesthetic with the simplicity of its dial. Gone are the red accents, giving it a more monochromatic but refined look, aided by the fact that the dial has a matte effect and hand-grained finish. The indices also follow this minimalist route for its 12 towering markers. The looming GREUBEL FORSEY signature previously found in the barrel cover has also been replaced with a name etched in the internal bezel between 12 and 2 o'clock. One last point to note on the dial: if you look at it, it is cut through between 5 and 9 o'clock. This was done deliberately not only to deliver a striking aesthetic, but also to remind the wearer about the atelier's technical prowess by highlighting the balance wheel and escapement. The Balancier S2 shares the hand-wound movement of its predecessor with a 72 hours power reserve. The 307-part movement powers the hours, minutes, and power reserve indicator while beating at 21,600 vibrations per hour. GREUBEL FORSEY focuses here on details and doing the simple things in the most extraordinary way possible. GREUBEL FORSEY has found a way of creating stunning movements through advanced technology while keeping the heritage of watchmaking alive through exceptional craftsmanship. Here we find the 30 degrees inclined GREUBEL FORSEY balance wheel system, which gives the movement the brand's DNA. The balance wheel is not inclined for aesthetic reasons, but has a purpose. Through the inclination, gravitational errors will be minimized, which leads to a higher precision of the time. And finally, to match the titanium case, GREUBEL FORSEY wisely made the Balancier S2 available with the 3-link titanium bracelet with an integrated fine adjustment that highlights the Maison's finishing technique and expertise. The Balancier S2 is priced at 263,900 Swiss francs and is limited to 64 pieces. Overall, with all the changes made by GREUBEL FORSEY, the Balancier S2 feels more like an evolution rather than a revolution. The bigger profile undoubtedly makes a statement, and the contemporary design cues are in line with what they are trying to achieve: a streamlined, modern, and powerful piece. If you've yet to have a GREUBEL FORSEY in your collection, then this is the perfect entry point, a watch that highlights their technical prowess and design philosophy. With only 64 pieces available worldwide, Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have the limited edition GREUBEL FORSEY Balancier S2 watch in stock. If you haven't already, visit us at any of our boutiques in Zurich, Geneva, and Lucerne to discover our collection of GREUBEL FORSEY pieces. You can also visit our website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. That's right, in just 3 hours. So if you need a specific watch right now, Les Ambassadeurs will be at your doorstep with your timepiece in a flash. What are your thoughts on the GREUBEL FORSEY Balancier S2? Let us know in the comments below. We always love to hear back from our viewers. If you have any questions about this or any GREUBEL FORSEY timepiece for that matter, ask us in the comments and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.